Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so exciting. I need to get rid of my gum. Just one second. Let's start over. So I am so excited. Today is the 11th. So today is February 11th, and Jeffree actually just uploaded a new video today. He revealed the whole collection for Bloodlust. I am so excited. It comes out on the 21st, so it comes out on the 21st, so in 10 days. I am very, very excited. Oh my gosh. It is a beautiful purple palette. I love the packaging that it's in. I'm not a huge fan of the gloss, so yeah, I'm not going to be purchasing anything like that, but let's just get into the video. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I officially got my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day box. I got it in the Supreme. So it was Supreme Deluxe, and then there was, no. There was Premium, Deluxe, and then Supreme. Supreme was the largest one, the Deluxe was the medium, and this is the Premium. So this was the small, and I just want to show you guys this, what this size is. So this is the small. And this one was his small from Halloween. That is like a huge difference in size. Do you see that? This is amazing. I actually have seen a bunch of people's videos on this very box, so I did get a few spoilers. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I know what's in here, but I'm hoping that mine is a little bit different just in certain aspects, but let's just dive right in. And the tape is still on there. So I haven't even opened this yet. I should have brought a knife with me. This is terrible. Oh, gonna break my hand off trying to get this. So now that we've kind of gone through that, I'm just gonna let you guys see upon like the initial unboxing, because honestly I've seen videos on this, so let's just see what's going on. Okay, so the first thing that I see is the gloss. What color is it? It is in Succulent, and this is actually an exclusive for the Valentine's Day box. I am not going to be like swatching this at all. I am gonna take it out just to see what it looks like. Try not to damage it, because I'm actually going to be giving this to my coworker Nicole. She loves Jeffree as much as I do, and he was actually supposed to be coming here to Colorado in Denver, I want to say in October or something. Yeah, in October he was supposed to be coming, but unfortunately Daddy, his Pomeranian, passed away, so he canceled it. He canceled his Behind the Brush with Lipstick Nick in Phoenix, Arizona and Denver, Colorado, so I'm hoping that he will reschedule, come back, do his thing once he's ready. But Nicole, she actually is really a great coworker and everything, and a friend, because she actually covered my shift that day. Like, even though I didn't go, she covered my shift because she was like, it's for Jeffree, and I'm just like, yes. So she deserves this. It's the gloss. It is a really pretty, like, I don't want to say it's a pink color, but it's pink with purple flecks in it. So this is for her. I'm not going to swatch it. I'll just have a picture from the website. So that is for Nicole. I'm not a huge fan of gloss, so it would just be wasted on me. This is super cute. I saw this. This is the Jeffree Star beanie, and it has cute little sweethearts on it. And it says Jeffree Star, and then it has the Jeffree Star logo right there. But yeah, it has the little Jeffree Star. It says Jeffree in the blue and Star in the purple, and it has his logo right there in the pink. And I think this is so cute. It's really good material, really thick, and I really appreciate that. I think it would be really cute with a little poof ball on top, but that is my only criticism. I think this is super cute, and I cannot wait to wear it, because right now outside at this very minute, it's, I want to say, like 30 degrees. So I also have a pop socket. This is included in the box as one of the limited edition. I don't know if this is considered a limited edition item. Probably, because he doesn't really sell pop sockets. So yeah, it's in this baby pink. And surprisingly, I am going to be using this. I just got a new phone case and it has sushi all over it. So I'm very excited to be putting this on there. I got it from Lexi Lemon, and it actually is one of those charging phone cases. So it'll charge my phone. And then last but certainly not least, look what's left. What the heck? You all know what that is. You do. I'm sure you do. It is the Alien palette. It's a little bit ripped, but I just love the, I just dug my nail into that little spot right there. So another rip. Great, Elizabeth. Okay, I tried to be as delicate as I could, but you all know me by now, you know, if you're new to the channel, hi. I'm not very delicate. I try to be, I fail most of the time. Oh my gosh. Do you see this? Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. I never thought that I would get this in my whole life because it was discontinued. So this is a limited edition. Well, not limited edition, but this is discontinued. It's not on the website anymore. Oh my goodness. Look how cool that looks. And apparently, yeah, these are 3D. The eyes are 3D. I like poked it so hard it's not coming out. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I'm just gonna open it. Oh, wow. Okay. I really like Alien and Area 51 and Probe. That looks really cool. Look how beautiful the colors are. Oh my gosh. So this one, this green right here, that's Alien. And the purple, that's Area 51. And this right here, this kind of metallic color, that's Probe. Isn't that so cool? And I love the stamps in here. Right there, that's X-Files. You see a little alien head stamped in. Jeffree, what the heck? This is so beautiful. Ugh. And then I actually got another box from Jeffree. This came, I want to say, almost a week ago. So I just got the Valentine's Day mystery box today. Okay, so I got this in the mail. I came home 20 minutes ago. I knew I had to come in, sit down, film. I just came back from the office. For those of you who don't know, I actually am partnering up with a chiropractor in my local area, and I set up my desk today. I'm really excited for everything and all the new opportunities, but this one came last week, and look how pretty the paper is. It says love me not. Cute. Cute. And this was a separate purchase other than the box because I had to get the box first. Because I actually have a confession to make. I was a whole hour late to the party. I had the chance to, I'm sure I would have had the chance, you know, to get either the Supreme or the Deluxe. The Premium was still there. I was so happy just to see the Premium there. It started, the launch was at 11 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, and it hit me at noon that everything that it had launched, you know. So I was literally just mindlessly walking out to my car, and it dawned on me, and I ran back inside for the Wi-Fi. So yeah, just to paint you a picture. But this is one of the Jeffree Star approved mirrors. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. And this is my first Jeffree Star mirror. I've never had one before. Look how beautiful that looks. It's super nice, and I didn't want the one that was pink where the black is and black where the pink is because that's just too much pink for me. And then there was a metallic pink one where all of it was metallic and pink, and I thought this one was just perfect for me. And he actually just revealed that a part of the Bloodlust collection, there are going to be 3 mirrors, and the first mirror with the crown was the most appealing to me. So I don't know if I should get it. I want it really badly, but you know, I don't need it. Now the palette, I need that. I'm very lucky to be able to afford all of this. I'm very lucky that I was even able to get any of this. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that at the end of the day, this is just stuff. But if makeup is a contribution to what makes you happy, you know, like me, you know, it's now a part of my whole identity almost. Then, you know, you do you. Find what makes you happy. If makeup doesn't make you happy, if that's not your thing, if, you know, sports is your thing, if reading is your thing, you know, like, reading is clearly my thing too. Yeah, this was everything. Here, I'm going to show you everything. But yeah, this was everything that was in my Jeffree Star Premium Valentine's Day box. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals. I'll see you next time. Bye!